I'm Jaime O and I live here in Brentwood, New Hampshire. We heard about East Coast from the previous owners of the house who had used them and had gotten good service, so we started using them to service our oil system, and then when it came time to upgrade to something nicer, that's who we called to get our heat pumps installed. So the home was built in 1998. It's a 3-story colonial, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. The 3rd story was very hard to cool, even with 2 big window units up there, which is one of the reasons why we came to heat pumps. It doesn't sound like we have a car running in our living room. The great thing that we really liked about East Coast was that they listened to our input for the design. They listened to what our goals were and how I wanted the different heads and air conditioning units placed throughout the house, along with the power of the system. And together, East Coast and I came up with a great design that meets our needs. After we put in the heat pumps this summer, we were saving 50% on the average electric bill, which equals about $200 to $250 a month. And now during heating season, last month I factored my electric bill versus what my oil bill would have been, and I'd say we're seeing similar savings of almost $200 a month. We've already recommended East Coast to many friends and family, some that want to do a whole home system, some that just want to do a heat pump here or there, and some who just need service on their existing boiler system. I'm very happy with East Coast and the Mitsubishi products they install.